Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have something truly special, the brand new 2025 Mercedes-Benz CLA. This car is the perfect blend of sportiness, luxury, and cutting-edge technology, making it one of the most exciting compact luxury sedans of the year. If you're a fan of Mercedes-Benz or just love high-end automobiles, you're going to want to watch this full review. Let's jump right in. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 CLA is a true head-turner. Finished in sleek black, this car looks aggressive yet elegant. The front features the iconic Panamericana grille with the large Mercedes-Benz logo right in the center, giving it a commanding presence. The sharp angular LED headlights provide not only an aesthetic boost, but also superior visibility at night. The lower bumper has large air intakes, enhancing the sporty appeal while also improving aerodynamics. Moving to the side profile, the CLA showcases a dynamic coupe-like silhouette, something Mercedes-Benz has perfected in its four-door coupe designs. The flowing body lines make the car look athletic, and the sculpted side panels add to its muscular stance. The multi-spoke alloy wheels perfectly complement the design, and the chrome accents around the windows give it a premium touch. The sloping roofline merges seamlessly into the rear, further enhancing its sporty character. Now, let's talk about the rear of the CLA. The LED taillights are slim and sharp, extending into the trunk lid, giving the car a futuristic look. The rear bumper features an aggressive diffuser, and the twin exhaust tips add a sporty flair. The number plate, boldly displaying Mercedes CLA, sits in the center, making sure you know exactly what this beauty is. Everything about this car's design screams luxury with a hint of performance-driven aggression. Stepping inside, you're welcomed by a cabin that blends luxury, technology, and comfort seamlessly. Mercedes-Benz has always been a leader in interior quality, and the 2025 CLA is no exception. The premium leather seats are not only supportive, but also offer heating, cooling, and massage functions for the ultimate comfort. The ambient lighting system offers 64 color options, allowing you to set the perfect mood inside the car. The attention to detail is incredible, with soft touch materials, metal trims, and high-gloss finishes throughout the cabin. The dashboard is dominated by the latest iteration of Mercedes' MBUX infotainment system. You get a fully digital driver display, along with a large touchscreen that controls everything from navigation to entertainment. The system features AI-powered voice commands, making it easier than ever to control various functions just by speaking. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, ensuring seamless smartphone integration. The center console is sleek and minimalistic, featuring a touchpad for easy control, a wireless charging pad, and multiple storage compartments for added convenience. The steering wheel is another highlight of the interior. It's a sporty, flat-bottom design wrapped in premium leather, with touch-sensitive controls for effortless operation. Behind the wheel, you'll find paddle shifters that add to the driving excitement. Another standout feature is the panoramic sunroof, which makes the cabin feel even more open and airy, giving you a true sense of luxury while driving. Now, let's talk performance. Under the hood, the 2025 CLA is powered by a turbocharged engine that delivers an impressive amount of horsepower and torque. Whether you're accelerating from a standstill or overtaking on the highway, the car responds with power and precision. The transmission shifts seamlessly, ensuring a smooth yet exhilarating drive. The car also features different driving modes: comfort, sport, eco, and individual, allowing you to tailor the driving experience to your preference. Handling-wise, the CLA offers an excellent balance between sportiness and comfort. The suspension setup ensures a smooth ride, even on rough roads, while the precise steering makes it fun to drive through corners. The aerodynamic design reduces wind resistance, improving both fuel efficiency and performance. Whether you're cruising on the highway or driving through city streets, the CLA delivers a confident and engaging driving experience. Mercedes-Benz has also packed the 2025 CLA with top-tier safety features. It comes equipped with adaptive cruise control, which maintains a safe distance from the vehicle.